Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Julio Franco with Creating Passive Income. First of all, I would like to say thank you for taking time out of your busy day and checking out this video, okay? Now, if you're here, it's for one of two reasons. One, maybe you're looking how to learn how to create that passive income. Or two, you already have a business, but you're having no results. You need better leads, and those leads got to convert into sales. Okay, this is where I come in. Okay, I'm gonna help you out. Check this out. All you have to do, put your email and I will send you that information. Once you do that, and the only reason I'm asking for you to put the email because I want to work with serious people only, okay? So that way I can help you out along the way, okay? Now this this amazing opportunity you just got offered, um, I wouldn't let it pass by, honestly. You know why? Because it's free to get started. Yes, you heard me right. It's free to get started. So do me a favor. Go ahead and put your email below and I will send you the info. Once you get started, then we can start. You can ask me any questions. You can reach me out to Facebook. I mean, I'm here, okay? The only reason that I'm saying that I will be with you all the way through this process because it's hard whenever you're starting, uh, especially those newbies out there. It's hard when you're getting started and you don't have the help and nobody's willing to help you. Okay, with creating passive income, all that it's over. It's done because here you will get my 100% attention. Okay, on anything. If you have any questions or you're stuck, okay, that is if you get started, okay? There's once you go to the next video, you're gonna see three different business models, okay? Go ahead and start on the first one right away, and then the other two are fit for you. You go ahead and do it. And if they're not, you don't have to. But at least stick to one of them, and that'll be step number one that I highly recommend. That's the same thing I'm using to create leads and sales in my business, guys. Thanks once again. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the inside.